I've lived in Europe for about 3 years now, and after talking to a lot of different people with a lot of different accents, I've found out that I actually have a really interesting accent. It's called wrong. So I went to Google to investigate this a bit more. And after doing a lot of research, I realized something.
Wait a minute. I'm American. They should change their pronunciation for me.
So today, I want to take you guys through 10 different brands or companies and show you how Americans pronounce them because they're probably different in your native languages. Now, there are some things that Americans do pronounce correctly because it might be an American company, but especially the German or the Japanese companies, we pronounce them very differently. So let's start with something that I hope everyone knows, McDonald's. I've heard this pronounced in a different way in Russian and also in Italian, so the American way is McDonald's. Number 2 is H&M. This one's pretty easy because we just say H and M, but we also shorten the middle part and just kind of say N, so H&M. Number 3, everyone loves this store, it's IKEA. Number 4, we have a very popular shoe, Nike. Again, that's Nike. And you know, it's interesting because we have the name Mike, but we don't say Mikey, but with the company we say Nike. Another popular shoe brand, Adidas. And I know right now all of my European friends are cringing, but yes, we say Adidas. Now let's talk about a couple car companies. So this one is Mercedes. Another car company that we just say completely wrong, and believe me, I don't know why we pronounce it this way, Hyundai. We don't even make an attempt to say it correctly. Now let's talk about super expensive cars. Obviously we have the Porsche. Some Americans like to be more fancy and actually say Porsche, but most people just say Porsche. And another beloved car is the Lamborghini. Or if Lamborghini is too long, you can just say Lambo. And our 10th one is a phone company, Samsung. Now this one isn't so bad, but sometimes my students don't actually understand me. And as a bonus company, we have Levi's. So that was technically 11 companies that Americans pronounce probably different than you do in your native languages. Let me know in the comments if you already knew some of these. If you'd like to give me a little language challenge, you can write in the comments some interesting brands or companies that you have in your countries. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like, consider subscribing for more English content, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.